So now if you remember well, we have done this assignment for the given p underscore education compulsory. Display the details of employee ID, employee name, city, phone, etc. We have seen this. So now my requirement is similar to this assignment right now. Let's assume I have select options here. Select options here, S underscore EID, S underscore EDU. Now I want education compulsory. Education compulsory, select options. So we have more advantage of select options than parameters. So now I want the assignment with select options, and that too, select options where education is compulsory. We have seen parameters compulsory. Now we have to see select options compulsory. How to handle this? So now tables, YYZ, EDU, whatever table you want, you can use it. Again, I'm telling any table you want, you can use it here. So now example, I'm using ZZ EDU table, some table. Now I will say select options, S underscore EID for ZZ EDU EID, select options. S underscore EDU for ZZ EDU education. Education obligatory. Whether it's a parameter or whether it's a select options. Whether it's a parameter or whether it's a select options. We have to handle the obligatory in the same way. Now at selection screen. At selection screen. Start of selection. Select which table we have to hit first. V underscore EID type YYZ V underscore name type name 1 V underscore city type V underscore phone V underscore EDU college V underscore year of pass. Now I want employee table and education table data. I have I have two fields in the input, employee and education. I have two tables, employee table, education table. Employee table, education table. Now in this input, education table input is compulsory. I can select first from this table, then I can go to this table. Or I can select this table, then I can come to this table. Like this I can go. Or like this I can go. Which one is the best?
First education and then employee.
Louder.
First education and then employee.
First education and then employee will be the best, because here education is compulsory field. So the user will give education for sure. Now again I'm repeating, I can select employee first and then go to education, or I can select education and then come to employee. Output wise I will get both. In both the cases I'll get the output, but here the speed is very crucial. So selecting the education first and then coming to employee, already we have discussed this why it is better also. So I'm selecting education table first. Select select EID EDU college year of pass from YYZ EDU into V underscore EID V underscore EDU V underscore college V underscore year of pass, where earlier we used to give P underscore EID equal to, now we will give EID in S underscore EID and EDU in S underscore EDU. So whatever inputs I have EID and EDU, both inputs I have. So I'm filtering it by both. I'm filtering it by both. So in operator, and select, followed by select EID, EID, name, city, phone from ZZEMP into your variables EID, name, city, phone, etc. Where EID is equal to V underscore EID. Whenever we write select inside a select, at least one field from the outer select should be used in the where condition of inner select. At least one field from the outer select should be used in the where condition of the inner select. And again, whenever we are using key field in the where condition, select a single. Now, when I was explaining this topic, one person said, "Sir, you only said when we use select options, we should not use select single. When we are using select options, we should not use select single." Now, in this place, I am using select options complete key field. EID is the key field, EDU is the key field. I am using complete key field, but still I am not using select single because in the where condition, I am using select options. But here in this where condition, I am not using select options. In this where condition, I am using a single variable with equal to operator. One employee will have only one record. Common sense. So we have to apply the common sense. If you are using in a suppose if you are writing it like this in s underscore eid, then I should not use select single. But here I am not selecting from in. I am using eid equal to v underscore eid. Select single. Now write the data. Write work area EMP EID, work area EMP name, work area EMP city, work area EMP phone,
Area,
work
sir.
area EMP education, college, year of pass. Yes,
Work area in that statement, work area or
sorry, work
area.
areas I have not explained. The variables. Variable for EID, variable for name, variable for city, variable for phone, variable for education, variable for college, variable for year of pass. Check the syntax. So variable for name. Check the syntax. Activate. Over. Execute. It's activating still. Now, if I execute, show me the people who have done 10th. Execute. It will give the output 10th. Show me the people who have done BCom. It will give the BCom. Execute. But here one advantage here is example. I'll say 10th. Show me the people 10th between 1 to 3 employees. Whoever has done 10th, show me. Between 1 and 3, show me whoever has done 10th. Execute. It will show between 1 to 3 whoever has done 10th. If I don't give anything, indirectly it means show me all the people who have done 10th. Show me all the people who have done 10th. You'll get the output. So people always ask me, sir, with select options, how to write select statements? Whether you are using parameters or whether you are using select options. Here, if you are using parameters, equal to will come. If you are using select options, in will come. Rest all is the same. The process how we follow. Which table you are selecting first, which table you are selecting second. Already I have explained you with parameters. The same rule applies. Based on your first select statement, the performance will vary. So we have to understand this. So in SAP, everything is about speed. Any developer can write a code, but what I want is I want a code which can execute very fast by taking less system resources. By taking less system resources, it should work very fast. That means it should occupy less memory. That's what the target is. So I have explained you how to write a select statement with select options for two tables. Similarly, three tables, four tables, five tables, six tables, any number of tables I can use. Select, 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 select. Now, one more topic I will explain. Very, 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 very important topic. Now, this is my house. This is one shop or hotel or something. Some hotel. Okay. Now, let's assume it will take 5 minutes journey from here to here. Now, it will take 10 minutes to hand over the object. Whatever you are requesting, it will take 10 minutes to hand over the object. Now, you are returning. You are returning. It will take 5 more minutes, assume roughly 5 more minutes. Now, imagine the case you went to the shop. So, you are from home. You went and want to buy some dosa. It's a hotel. So, now you asked one dosa. He took, he parcel, he gave you the item, and you are coming back. How much time it will take for you to come back?
20
How much
minutes.
time it will take for you to come back?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. 5 minutes for going, 10 minutes for parcel, 5 more minutes to come back. 20 minutes over. Now you are getting three items: dosa, idli plus sambar. Sambar. Now in Chennai, there are some areas where they are simply saying no plastic. No plastic. We should not take any plastic. So if you want a sambar, you have to carry your own bowl or box or whatever it is. So now in your hand, one pack of dosa is there, one pack of idli is there, and in a bowl you have sambar. Can you cover this distance? Can you cover this distance in 5 minutes? When you don't have anything, how much time it will take is 5 minutes. But you are completely occupied with items in your hand. Will can you cover this distance in 5 minutes or will it take extra time?
Some more extra time.
Example, you went to fill one pot. So in 5 minutes you travel this journey. You are filling the pot and then you are returning with the pot of water. You can walk with the same speed like earlier or will it reduce?
Will reduce.
Yes.
It
Will
will
reduce.
reduce. So as the number of variables, as the number of variables, if you are having only one item in your hand, your speed is different. When you are having two items in your hand, the speed is different. When you are having multiple items in the hand, automatically your speed will be different. You should handle carefully. Else, so automatically your walking is becoming slow. The same thing happens here. As the number of variables increases, as the number of variables increases in the program will become slow. So in this example, we are using four variables from each table. In real time, we'll use 6, 7, 8, 10 tables also, 10 fields also. So as the number of variables increases, the speed of the program reduces. Suppose if I give you four bowls to carry with your hand, four bowls to carry with your hand, how you will walk? Fast or slow?
Slow.
Slow. Now, instead of four different bowls, if I give a carrier, if I give you a carrier and then inside the carrier I am putting all the four. One, two, three, four. Now what will happen? Now what will happen? You are carrying only one item, the carrier. Inside the carrier you have four. So your walking speed will increase or decrease.
Increase.
Handling independent variables will reduce the performance speed. But if you are tying everything together tightly, if you are tying everything together tightly, then your speed will increase a bit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, handling independent variables always make my program slow. So here we have to use structures and work areas. Structures and work areas. So now here, the same program. If I want to increase the speed bit better, what we can do instead of variables, as the number of variables increases, as the number of variables increases, use work areas. That's what we call. Now we have to understand what is work area. So this assignment, I am going to SC11, SC11, and I am creating one structure now. Structure. What is a structure? Definition of a record. Definition of one record. Nothing but group of fields. So now from employee table, what you are selecting? Employee ID, name, city, phone. Employee ID, name, city, phone. So now what we do, we create one structure y8b underscore structure underscore emp. Whatever name you want, you can give. I am following the naming convention st for structure. There is no rule here, you have to give st, you can give any name you want, but I am following like this. I want a structure for employee. Create structure. Structure. Earlier we have seen data elements, now we are using structures. Enter. Employee structure. Now employee id, employee name, employee city, employee phone. That means whatever you are selecting here, eid, name, city, phone, with these fields I am creating one structure. The data elements, whatever is the data elements, name one, city, phone. Done. My structure is ready. Activate the structure. Activate the structure. Now, if you remember well, data element. So we are defining a data element. It's nothing but the definition of one single field. You are saying I want a variable called as name of 10 characters, etc. Now in the program, how you are using data element? How you are allocating memory? In the program, how you are allocating the memory? This is data element. This is data element. This is data element. Am I using data element directly in the select statement, or I am declaring a variable?
Declaring variable.
So memory allocated for a data element. Memory allocated for a data element is called variable. Variable. So variable, we are calling it as a single field. For a single field, we are calling it as a variable. Data v underscore variable one type your data element. This is what you are doing, and we are calling this as a variable. So for a definition, data element is a definition. You are allocating the memory. The memory we are calling as variable. Now the definition is structure. Group of fields. The definition is called as structure. Now allocating memory. Memory allocated for a structure. We call it work area. Indirectly, group of fields. It's not a single field, it's a group of fields. So the syntax is the same. Data work area emp type your structure name. Naming conventions we are following work area as W. Naming conventions we are following as W. So see here, I have created one structure. This is my structure. Now I am going to this program. I am copying this program as it is. 33 to 34. Follow this carefully. Very, very, very important. Till now, we are declaring variables data v underscore eid, type IYZ eid, v underscore name, type name one, v underscore city, type city, v underscore country, type country, v underscore phone, type phone. Now we are giving select EID name city phone country phone from employee table or whatever table into one variable for EID, one variable for name, one variable for city, one variable for country, one variable for phone number. Like this we are giving variables, independent variables we are giving. First field will come and sit in first field, second field will come and sit in second field, third field will come and sit in third field, etc. So now what we are doing is we are defining one structure, z structure underscore something. In the structure, I have already created EID, name, country, city, phone, etc. Now, when I allocate a memory data work area EMP type structure EMP, what does this mean is I want one variable employee with the following fields. So in this what it will have the first field EID, first structure EID, next field name, next field country, next field city, next field phone. This field is EID, this field is name, this field is city, this field is country, country, this field is city, this field is phone. So we are referring all these fields with a single name work area EMP. So what we do here, select EID, name, city, country, phone number from ZZ EMP into work area EMP. For you, you are seeing only one field here, work area EMP. But indirectly, what does this mean? Indirectly, you are giving a record space here. Indirectly, it will be like this 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So now the first field will come and sit in first field, second field will come and sit in second field, third field will come and sit in the third field, third field will come and sit in the third field, fourth field will come and sit in the fourth field, fifth field will come and sit in fifth field. This is what it is. So what I am doing now, I am declaring some name you have to give to identify that it is a work area EMP type, whatever structure you have created, structure. So memory allocated for a structure, we call it as work area. You can give whatever name you want, but I am clearly giving work area EMP. This is the record to store work area EMP employee data. So now my select statement EID, name, city, phone, these variables will get replaced with work area EMP. Okay, so now I am commenting that statement. I'm commenting this statement. So what will happen? Follow this carefully. Select single EID name city phone from employee table into work area EMP, where EID equal to V underscore EID. So only thing which got changed is this. So now I have my data in work area. I will write at 10 work area EMP EID, at 22 work area EMP name, at somewhere around 52 work area EMP hyphen city, at 10 52 plus 10 62 64 work area EMP hyphen phone. So some people, sir, I'm confused with work areas. So till now you are using SYST hyphen datum. This is the work area. You are allocating the field hyphen. So whenever you refer to structures, we will use hyphen. In this variable, there is one EID field. In this variable, there is a name field. In this variable, there is a city field, but it's not a single field, so I cannot call it as a variable. So I'm calling it as a work area. Wherever the number of fields are more, I can use work areas. So now again, I'm going to S11. Come back. I want one structure. I want one structure for education. Create, create, structure, education. I want EID, your employee table data element. I want education. I want college. I want year of pass. Instead of declaring separate fields in the program, we are creating a record. How many tables data we are fetching? That many structures we have to create. If I'm getting the data from 3 tables, I have to create 3 structures. If I'm getting the data from 5 tables, I have to create 5 structures. So now I'm creating the structures. Structures are reusable. Once I declare the structure, I can use in multiple programs I want. So you need not declare structures with every program. I can use the same structures in one more program also. It's reusable. So for the first time, if you declare it, you can reuse it again. So now activate it. My structures are ready. So let it be active. In the meanwhile, I am removing the variables. Data, work area, edu, type, y8b underscore structure underscore edu. This is the work area, work area. Group of fields I am calling as work area. So now this entire select statement will be replaced somewhat like this. Select EID, EDU, college, year of pass from education table into work area education table, where EID in S underscore EID and EDU in S underscore EDU. So this is replaced with this work area. Wherever the number of fields are more, we will replace that with work areas. So now I will change this right statements also. Work area edu education, work area edu college, work area edu year of pass. Pretty printer, check the syntax, activate. So variables are not used anymore here. Work area education EID. Because my data is coming into work area now. So here what I have to use? Education table EID. So where education table EID. Check the syntax. Edu work area edu hyphen. What I gave here, let's see. I gave here wrong data edu. Okay, I will write that same thing. Whatever I gave here, the same thing I'm giving here. Edy. Execute. So from now onwards in every program, we will use structures and work areas. Execute. So now show me the people who have done 10th. I will get the output. So one more example. One more example. I want customer number, name, KUNNR, name 1, ORT 0, land 1, name 1, ORT01, PST from from KN1 table. KN1 table. VBLN, AUDAT, VKORG, VTWEG, SPART from VBAK table. I want the VBLN, item number, Posner, Matner, KWMENG, mains, NETWR, WAERK from VBAP table. I want sales information. So I want KNA1, I want VBAK, I want VBAP. These three tables that I want. So if you see each table, the number of fields are 4, 5, 5 or 6 or 7. So as the number of variables increases, the program will speed will reduce. So we have to declare a structure. So Tarun, where will we create a structure? Tarun,
SC11.
SC11. So I'm going to SC11. I'm creating one structure. One structure for KNA1. Create. What fields you want? Create those fields with the structure. So customer structure. I want customer number. I want land 1. I want name 1. I want ORT01. I want PSTLZ. If you want, you can give your names like this. But if you are habituating of these names, you can never remember that city means ORT01. So you can give whatever names you want here. It's your wish. But ideally, we prefer give like this only. That's what we'll say. Now, data elements. Data elements. Land1 underscore GP. Name1 underscore GP. ORT01 underscore GP. PSTLZ. So go to your table and see what data elements are there. Declare the data elements. Activate. One structure for KNA1 is ready. So let it activate. In the meanwhile, I'm going to one more SC11 structure for VBAK. Create structures. Sales structure. I want VBELN. I want AUDAT. I want VKORG. I want VTWEG. I want SPART. So whatever fields you want, I declared those fields and the data types. Activate. So my structure for KNA1 is ready. This is my structure for KNA1. This is my structure for VBAK. Now I have to create one structure for VBAP. So I'm creating one structure for VBAP. What fields you want, give those fields. What data elements it is expecting, give those data elements. Give those data elements. Now, when you activate, it will throw error. When you activate, it will throw error. If you remember well, in the tables, we have used some reference structures, reference tables. Reference structures, reference tables. Wherever quantity and currency fields are there, there should be some reference tables. So here also the same rule. So it is checking all this. Let it take. So now when you click enter, see reference table, reference field. So we have done this already in the table. So wherever quantity currency fields are there, go to currency quantity tab and give the whatever structure name you are using. For quantity, this is the units field. For this is the units field. Activate. So my structure is ready. So now go back to your program. 35, 35, create. Sales report. Type executable. Save. Now for the given country, select options S underscore land 1 for KNA1 land 1. Data work area for KNA1. Type. Type the structure what you have created. The structure what you have created. Work area VBAK. Type structure what you have created. Work area VBAP. Type structure what you have created. So I'm allocating the memory by using the structures. Add selection screen. Forget about validations as of now. Start of selection. Start of selection. So now what we have to do? Select customer number, name, oh, land one, land one, name, ORT, land one, name one, ORT01, PST from KNA1. Till now we are giving V underscore V underscore Kunnar, V underscore name like this. We are giving all the fields. So what we have to do? Work area KNA1. Where land 1 in S underscore land 1. and select. Now select VBLN, AUDAT, VKORG, Kunnar, PKRG, VTWEG, SPART from VBAK into work area VBAK, where customer number equal to, earlier we are writing like this, V underscore customer number, but right now the customer number is not coming to variable. The customer number is coming into this structure, work area KNA1, work area KNA1, work area KNA1 hyphen customer number, and select, followed by select VBLN, Posner, Matner, Posner, Matner, KWMENG, NETWR, WAERK from VBAP into work area VBAP, where VBLN equal to work area VBAK VBELN, and select. So select inside, select, followed by right work area KNA1 Kunar, work area KNA1 land 1, work area KNA1 PSTLZ, like this, all write all the data. Similarly, work area VBAK VBLN, work area VBAK AUDAT, work area VBAK VKRG, like this, write all the data. Work area VBAP Matner, work area VBAP KWMENG, work area VBAP mains, work area VBAP NETWR, work area VBAP WAERK. If you want to put the horizontal vertical lines, put all the horizontal vertical lines. Check the syntax. Check the syntax. So KNA1 tables KNA1. So first thing, I in the customer structure, see what I have declared. So go to AC11, go to KNA1. So here I have declared wrong name, PSLTZ. So here also I'm giving the same name. Activate. Now show me the sales of India. Execute. If you observe, there is some dump. There is some dump. Now here the dump is it now 1, 2, 3. 3. In the third place the dump is there. In the third place the dump is there. So wantedly I did a mistake here. Wantedly I did a mistake here. So some people will say, sir, my program is syntactically active, sir, but it's going to dump. Whenever you get a dump, by seeing this arrow mark, you can identify where is the dump. Now I have 3 select statements. Out of 3 select statements, the third select statement is having a issue. What is the issue? Observation is what you require. So go to that go to the third select statement. So always whenever I explain you, I will do some mistakes like this and I will show you. But still tomorrow people will come and ask, sir, I am getting dump, sir, what to do? I am giving the solution here, what to do? So observe your select statements carefully. So if you observe here, when I say select statement, this third select statement is having an issue. So what is the issue now? Open your structure. Open your structure. PBAP structure. Display. Now my VBLN field will come and VBLN field. Perfect. Data type. Observe the data type. Perfect. Now material Posner to Posner. Matner to Matner. KWMENG to KWMENG. Hold on 1 minute. Wapi. Then if you see here, I am selecting NETWR. NETWR is a quantity field. the price field, the NADWR is coming and sitting in mains field, which is a 3 length. Data type mismatch. So wherever the data type mismatch is there, it will go to dump. So it's going to dump. So a select statement will only go to dump. A select statement will go only to dump if there is a data type mismatch. So you have to observe it carefully. For the developer, the observation is very crucial. So I did wantedly some mistake. It looks everything perfect. But officially speaking, in the select statement field order, the into clause field order is mismatching. So here between KWME and G, there is a field called as mains. I am not selecting the mains. So now I will select the mains. Wait, now the problem is solved. When you activate the program, everything will look perfect only. But if there is some data type mismatch, it will go to dump. So execute, show me only the Indian sales. Execute only the Indian sales. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 Indians. Indian people only 15 sales are there. Now show me the sales of US. Execute. All the US sales will come. The US sales are more, so the program is taking more time. See how much time it is taking to print the data. So now I got the output. If you see, all are US, 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 US. All the sales from first to last, you will see the US sales only. US sales. Now show me German. Execute. You will see all the German sales. Like this, you can see all the particular country sales. Particular country sales. All are German sales. Now I can also say expand, expand. I can give combinations. India sales and German sales. Execute, execute. So now it will show me Indian sales and German sales. Both the sales it will show me Indian and German. Like this, I can give any cities I want and any countries I want, and I can execute this. But see the time taking. It's taking so much time to print. Now I want to see all. If I want to see all without giving any input, I will execute. It will show me all the sales. So now here I am not using variables. So ultimately my speed of the program will increase a bit. How to see the speed of the programs, we will see next week. So next week topic will be how to see the speed of the program. So from tomorrow we don't have a class. So day after tomorrow we will start with the performance more. How to increase the speed of the program. See here it's still taking some time. Okay. So now what is your assignment? For today, for today, the assignment is P underscore EID, P underscore EDU. Assignment 1. When both are compulsory. When both are compulsory. When only EID is compulsory. When only EDU is compulsory. When both are optional. In all the four cases, what fields I want is EID, name, country, city, phone, gender, education, college, year of pass. So assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, assignment 4. So this assignment is for today. Assignment 1, Assignment 2, Assignment 3, Assignment 4. Do it with work areas. Do it with work areas. Now, for tomorrow, for tomorrow, S underscore EID, S underscore EDU. This is compulsory, this is compulsory. S underscore EID, compulsory, S underscore EDU optional. S underscore EID, S underscore EDU, both compulsory. S underscore EID, S underscore EDU. Again, I want the same fields. Same fields. Same fields. Same fields. Same fields. Now, now you might think Sar has given many assignments, but if you observe tomorrow there is no class, I already told. So that is the reason I gave today's assignment 4, tomorrow's assignment 4. Now you might assume that okay, I've given 4 assignments per day. Now out of 4 assignments, how many select statements we have to write in first assignment?
2.
2.
Two, two select statements. To write one select statement, how many hours it will take? To write one select statement, how many hours it will take?
2 minutes.
Minutes.
So let's assume 30 minutes. Is 30 minutes required?
Yes, sir.
To write one select statement, do you require 30 minutes?
No, sir.
So I am giving worst time if you are a least member in the batch. You are a slow grasper. Like let's assume you are learning like a tortoise. Then also in half an hour you can write a select statement, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So two select statements, it will take 1 hour. So if you sit for 4 hours, you can complete 4 assignments. But first thing is, do you really require 4 hours? Question yourself. Only the first program will take a time. After writing the first program, copy paste this as it is. 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 And just change the select statement sequence. Over. So you don't require 1 hour for each assignment officially, but still, if you are a very slow practicer also, you can complete this assignment in 4 hours. I already told people who cannot practice at least for 3 to 4 hours, don't come to the class. That's what I have already told. So now you have to do this. If you don't do also, no one will punish you. This is not a school that if you are not doing the assignments, I will punish you. It's not a school. Even at this pace also, people are not able to understand and practice. Imagine. So try to do all these 4 assignments today and see what you have understood and how difficult it is to understand all these 4 assignments. But if you practice daily, it will become very easy. So that's it for me for today. Catch you tomorrow.